Hello friends, I am Sahil Rai and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about precedence and associativity of operators in C programming language. So let's start. What is precedence of operator? Precedence of operators come into picture when in an expression we need to decide which operator will be evaluated first. It means the operator has more precedence will be evaluated first. I am taking one example. 36 divided by 9 plus 3. While executing this statement, which has two operators, we may have some problems as to how exactly does it get evaluated. We have two options. In this statement, I am taking as division operator more prior than the addition operator. And in this statement, I am taking as addition operator more prior than the division operator. Now, which statement is correct and which statement will give correct answer? Let's check. In case of arithmetic operator, precedence of division operator is more than the addition operator. It means first division part will be evaluated than addition part. While compilation of this program, compiler first put bracket according to priority of operators, then this statement will be evaluated. It means first division part will operate. 36 divided by 9 will give 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So correct answer is 7. 3 is wrong answer. Now, associativity of operators. What is associativity? When an expression contains two operators of equal precedence, the tie between them is settled using the associativity of operators. Take one example, 6 divided by 2 into 5. In this statement, we have two operators, division operator and multiplication operator. In arithmetic operator, the precedence of division operator and multiplication operator have same strength. Then the tie between them is settled using the associativity of operators. Associativity of arithmetic operators is from left to right. It means first left part will be evaluated, then right part. So 6 divided by 2, 3 into 5 is 15. It is very difficult to remember precedence and associativity of all types of operators. So you just remember one sentence, you ask black. I have already written there according to priority of operators. This underscore means plus plus and minus minus. It means incremented or decremented operator. U for unary operator. Remember one thing there. Although plus plus and minus minus is unary operator, but its precedence is more than other unary operators. That's why I am putting at the topmost position. A for arithmetic operators, S for shift operator, C for comparison or relational operator, B for bitwise operator, L for logical operator, and this underscore means ternary or conditional operator, A for assignment operator, and C for comma operator. Now, corresponding associativity, the associativity of incremented decremented operator is from left to right, associativity of unary operator is right to left, and so on. You just remember unary operator, ternary operator, and assignment operator have associativity from right to left, and rest operators have associativity from left to right. So unary operator, ternary operator, and assignment operator have associativity from right to left, and rest all operators have associativity from left to right. So you don't need to remember precedence and associativity of all types of operators. You just use one sentence, you ask black. So it was all about precedence and associativity of operators. In my upcoming video, I will discuss about other operators in the C programming language. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.